Hi everyone, Great Power 60 here. So, in dealing with my mom, there's a lot of things I can't get at. Well, today, I'm tackling my fridge. I haven't cleaned it in over a year, maybe two. I've wiped it down, but that's about it. This is a deep cleaning that I'm doing. So I'm taking out all the drawers, washing them all down, and the food that was in it gets put aside to go back in after I'm done. The only thing with these trays, I don't know how to take the glass out, so there's a little bit of crustiness in the cracks. I've tried to use a knife and try and get in there, but you know what? I'm not going to stress about it. I'm just going to continue on cleaning the best I can for now while I have a moment while Mom's having lunch. To the next plate. Okay, there it is. I'll tackle the door another time when Mom gives me a few minutes to myself. But, oh, I finally cleaned every shelf. Oh, it's such a mess. And I've been wanting to get at it, I would say, for 6 months. And I just ignored it because I was always busy with Mom. Anyway, guys, that's it for me for today. Watching me clean my fridge. Next is my door, and I think I'll leave that until this evening when Mom's in bed. Or maybe when she's having supper. I don't know yet. But I feel so good. Now to put all the food back. Thanks for joining me. We'll see you again soon. Bye for now.